Iskander-M, the missile threatening Europe's security introduction. The Iskander-M, Russia's tactical ballistic missile system, has become one of the most critical factors in the shifting balance of power between Moscow and the West. With a range of up to 500 kilometers, this weapon can strike numerous European capitals, from Kyiv and Warsaw to Berlin, Prague, and even Paris. But what does this mean for European security and NATO's defense posture? Is Europe truly prepared for such a challenge? In this video, we will examine the production and capabilities of the Iskander-M, identify potential targets across Europe, explore possible NATO responses, and analyze unpredictable factors that could escalate or reshape this threat. Production and capabilities of the Iskander-M. Russia currently produces an estimated 60-70 Iskander-M missiles per month, amounting to 700 and 2,840 missiles annually. This rate has accelerated significantly since the outbreak of the war in Ukraine. Key features include high precision, a circular error probable (CEP) of just 5-7 meters, making it extremely accurate. Maneuverability, the missile follows unpredictable flight paths, complicating interception. Warhead versatility, can carry conventional or nuclear payloads, including cluster munitions and bunker-busting warheads. This versatility makes the Iskander-M not only a tactical battlefield weapon but also a strategic deterrent, directly challenging NATO's defensive infrastructure. Potential European targets. From their launch sites in Kaliningrad, Belarus and Western Russia, Iskander-M missiles can reach multiple critical targets in Europe. Kyiv, Ukraine, already within direct striking distance. Warsaw, Poland, vulnerable from both Belarus and Kaliningrad. Berlin, Germany, within reach from Kaliningrad deployments. Prague, Czech Republic, exposed from positions in Belarus or Poland. Paris, France, technically within range if missiles are deployed close to Belarus's western borders. Among these, Paris carries unique symbolic weight. A missile strike on the French capital would not only be a military act but also a psychological weapon, striking at the heart of European identity and unity. The strategic dilemma for Europe and NATO. The presence of the Iskander-M system poses a multi-dimensional challenge: military, political, and psychological. Strengthening missile defense. NATO countries may accelerate investments in Patriot, Aegis Ashore, and Iron Dome-style defense systems. However, Iskander's maneuverability means that even advanced interceptors face major difficulties. Diplomatic measures, sanctions, arms control agreements, or new security pacts could reduce tensions. Yet trust between Russia and the West is at its lowest point since the Cold War, limiting diplomatic effectiveness. Alliance cohesion. Some NATO members, particularly those closest to Russia, demand urgent military reinforcement. Others are reluctant to escalate, creating internal divisions within the alliance. This tension leaves NATO walking a tightrope between deterrence and diplomacy. Unpredictable wildcards. Beyond the known risks, several unpredictable factors could alter the strategic equation. Technical failures, a malfunctioning missile could cause unintended consequences, such as striking the wrong target or detonating prematurely. Political shifts. Leadership changes in Russia or Europe could push policies toward either confrontation or reconciliation. Cyber warfare. Hacking of early warning or defense systems could neutralize NATO's ability to respond effectively. New alliances. Deeper cooperation between Russia and powers such as China could expand the missile threat into a global challenge. Hypothetical scenario. An Iskander strike on Paris. Imagine the following. A missile is launched from Belarus toward Paris. NATO's early warning systems detect the launch within seconds. Interception attempt. French and Allied missile defense batteries scramble to intercept. Yet, due to Iskander's erratic flight path, success is uncertain. Impact. If the missile reaches its target, the consequences would be devastating, not only militarily, but also symbolically. A nuclear payload would trigger a continental crisis with global fallout. Response: NATO would face immediate pressure to retaliate, balancing between escalation and preventing a wider war. This scenario, while hypothetical, highlights why the Iskander-M remains one of the most destabilizing elements in Europe's security environment. Conclusion. The Iskander-M is not just a missile system, it is a symbol of Europe's vulnerability in the face of Russian military power. Its precision, versatility, and nuclear capability make it a tool of both warfare and intimidation. For Europe and NATO, the challenge lies in striking a balance between defensive readiness and diplomatic engagement. Whether through advanced missile defenses, stronger alliances, or renewed arms control, preparation is essential. The looming question remains, is Europe ready for the Iskander era?
Smash that like button, drop your thoughts on latest military in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into global power plays. Because here at Intel Prime, we know power isn't always loud, but it's always strategic.